In this tutorial, we will see that how can play Steam games on mobile without PC in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you have to open Play Store. Here it is, open it and simply search for Steam link. Here it is, you have to open it and simply install this. After installation, you have to open this one and it will open up like this. Then for the second step, you have to connect your controller with it. For the best experience, you have to connect a compatible Bluetooth controller to your mobile device. If you don't have one, you can also use touch controls like it's showing here, touch controls. For the third step, set up your Steam link. After opening the Steam link app, then you have to sign in with your Steam account. So here it's showing my Steam account and you have to make sure your gaming PC is on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And for the first step, you have to start streaming. Once everything is set up, you can browse your library and start streaming any game you want. If I click on this, start playing, it will send a code to your PC where you have to type this code that's showing here. So I will type my own. After typing it, you have to confirm it from your PC or laptop. Then it will start connecting and it's connected now. You can see here, and that's it. You can now enjoy your all favorite Steam games on the go without needing to be tied to your PC. So that's how you can play Steam games on mobile without PC in just few easy steps.